Yes, so my people, I beg, before I start this video, any good Samaritan that will come here to comment and say, Ivie, remove the children out of it, Ogun Agbo Agbo Mo, you will catch you on your tongue. When I see the video where I do, even I able to say, Orion Mo, Orion Vie, or we ye or who are. La rosa ave se kuku yeke. Ni do tamo ave ni woya o ave ni aya fin awuju a o e. Me ne Nora ave nu ugu no gbe kandi ya gbe Nora. Me nu ugu no gbe e Sharon aya gbe Nora ju a o gbe le mo hi aju a o. La ave ni do tamo we. Yi kuku yeke. Wo bi mo ne gun a. Odi. Omo re 5 years ye gun a. Omo me 5 years ye tele nunu. Agun awo din, e wo din, e Nora ze. E Nora agun no gun ana sale Nora weju a o. No gun ana gbe Nora ju a o. Ne Nora ana le imi wiwa no na lawo kan de we obe. Nu no wo ju ana la ototore. Me nu no wo ju ana Nora totore. Ebi ole. Eneli mekali bati ere Ivie vanoro ebi uno dio ave no wodio ave le atotore e ti o sanoro no gbonisa ebi uno wodio ave lo nyo totore lare buku yeke gbe no la lu oyiwo e ogun gbele moju awa ra o yi pe moko hu yo ba we mu iwo yo to a i salabo le ra me wage no huwa nezegbenetu Nezegbe netu. Ama minu ya ti ro isa, ama minu ya ti oyi amegibo. No gun ba na gbele moju a o. E Nora, ya mu ebogbo ogbe amu ebogbo afon amu gbogbo asun de ma ka ti eru e. Iyu ka fi pege mo. O se na wo no gun oba ya gbo iyu a o. E pupu ye ke o saun e se ba mi yu ewe. E mo nu gbe biele na e Nora na ubi e agwagwa. E Nora okin a o hu abo ewe bona. Oh, who are we? Oh, who are oh, are you? I be Nora a webo, Nora come on, I be a webo. Eh, Nora, who are Akia who are cool. Eh, no, I can see Morocco, Germany, and if I feel the human, oh, who are or the fear who. Oh, but why am more Nora you talk? Eh, Nora, then it's you when I bat you, let my bow, so I bat you when you get. I went to my when you are when you. Nora! 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 Egege! Yami ogi wole manu ya fin awo. Egege ogi wuti we. Me na vie jaro na bo be webo visi keke bogwa. Me na vie Sharon na eri avie we Nora o. O sawe se ni ju oga mu we yo to. O sawe se ni ju oga mu we yo to be ni time yo kan ya kwa akoko yo uwugwa. Wa mi oboya kwon ni o ma na kwon ni owi okun ni ba van o ma kwon ni ba van okun ni ba son o ma kwon ni ba son okun ni ba ri eyo be o ma na be kwon ni okun ni owi e fi o wi okun pa no wi o sa fi o ebi wa ya kwon ni uwo iko uwo agbo e owi e ogbo bi ju ba van abi vie va de Ivie va no bi o sa o me se Ivie va ni e dopa ye han wo do no gbe kandi yo ga gbele yan Ogun ra gbele mo ni ju a o. E ti o sa no da ke imi de. No me na gbon ye. Ah mi o bo bi o we gbe yawo re gbe ari imi no kede ru da we. Ogun ogbo mo ni ju a o. E ti o sa iwe gege ulu le nu ya di agbon gbe ulu le ni ari imi o. U asun hu wu ga le imi gbe wa ti o sa. Ogun ra gbo yi sa o le se re mo nu koko. Gebu nya o he ya da. Gebu nya o he ya da. Etiosa itiewe egbogwa ti okwo majo egbogwa ti okwo majo egbogwa ti okwo majo Nora egbogwa ti okwo majo agwagwa egbogwa ti okwo majo agwagwa uwu tiewe o uwu do inogbe kandi ye tiewe o uwu do inogbe kandi ye tiewe o uwu do inogbe kandi ye tiewe o ogi uwu na wegbe amwe man wenu e egegu ya digonu ya mi ogi uwu nu ya mi e manu bi epolo ma o Ugudo yo gagbo e. O sa ne suga yo bo we wo ya mu wo yo to wa ze ken gbe we wa ze ken gbe we. Why your boy mo can be where we got you pone ku no we. E fe vora la we gbe, e fe de gbe for we jo wa we. O wa no do afin awu, o mo ya no bia ya fe ya ehun. Wu wa ni tare oje. E tell no job, sigidi ba. Ogun ra gbele mo joa o. Ugu do no gbe kan di ra gbele mo ni joa o. E Nora u ki opo ma gwa gwa. Any time you can aye lie to lie. Uki okpo ma gwa Nora. Any time you aye. Eh Nora. Uga ki ebu. Uga ki ebe no okpo bu ne di no de o. Eh Nora, unwe agwi andak bi agwi adak wo kun wo bu ko. Umi okpi ana ota we hello ama wetin are gbe kia yo he. Agwa okpi a lenu okwo a lenu. Kate ikpia ya ami ole unda uhun bu kono lewe ke unwe ke awu ya ne bi o uke ya fin awu uhudo no de gbe kan di yoga gbo enora uhudo no gbe kan di yoga gbo enora eno bi uga salwa ide ni ya mo ebo gbo waso egbo wo sawu me se ijodin omo me 5 years egun no ohu aragbon ija meme enora no gbeliki aye uma show e party ni Ra o wo you know where avie me no sare se we no ya gbelikia e o tali kwa na you know. Iya meme. Enora no gbelikia e. Enora me esi du pono hin o gwa gbekia ye no gun na gbe Nora. Nu hu mo ya na to gbe Nora o mo ne jari elaja wo webu. Enora no ma e ti gunsu o. Erie obi ye kindergarten obi ye na pikin de go kindergarten pikin we dey okay no go kindergarten guno u worry u de mana oni guan ni te guan ye na kedo do guan gbijuwa ra guan gbele mojuwa o sa u me say do ve bo yodu we ma you me unu we ta mi me we special kindergarten e Nora yo no hu aragbon you know you can fool all those people you can fool them because they don't really know anything. My people, Nora is not going to a normal kindergarten. Nemayajo. While Yaniga video I was just watching, I was just laughing. A kindergarten in Nora J, in boom a class. A special child. Kindergarten, Nora Jo, a square behind it. Oh, some say, Vada be Nora, doctor, Obado Amu, why, social media, Vada be Nora. You know it, Tamame. Vada be Nora, doctor na time we Nora ma dey 100%. So make una know you see this girl, some of una go dey insult German healthcare, German doctors. Because of these useless children we no who do it we go buy. Una dey insult Jenny, Jamasi, na wow, normally, this guy pikin, as una dey see na special child, Jama no fit even do anything about an allow. Oh, Sane say was pregnant when doctor told her that this child is not 100% because the child was not okay. Wubeko. Sane say, don't you Nora ya vebo, do we, then any time that they have to do what maternal money. Oh, some say as in Nora, she was, I think, 4 months pregnant. 4 or 5 months pregnant. Or some say was pregnant of Nora, I'm not lying. 4 months to 5 months pregnancy. Now she day for Nora. When doctor tell her say, una not say when you get belly, they do so many tests. Doctor told her. Doctor sat her down after a lot of different tests, different control. Doctor can't tell someone say, see condition where this baby gets. This baby, if you born her, you not go feel be like other children. She will be fine. She not go cut hands, she not go cut leg, but her brain is not mature. Nora's brain was not growing. We may go time why security. Nora brain not they grow well like a normal child for where she dey belle. Doctor tell her say Nora then Osama say was 5 months pregnant. Doctor tell her say Nora get whether 40 something, I mean 48% brain damage because our brain no mature, our brain no grow, our brain get damaged because she don't function well. Our brain not the function because she don't function well inside belly as a normal child. Doctor told this useless girl, say make she take option is if she want to abort the if she wants them to take away the baby, they can do that. Make she know say if she's born the pikin, the child is going to be a special child. First and foremost, the child don't already get brain damage for inside belly. The child get brain damage for inside belly. Una way they insult German daughters and they tell una now. Or someone say told me. This one. Oh, see, when go they talk now so they beat Nora. Okay, no. Because do you know why? Argument come there because they wanted her. No more Nora for me come out that belly. Because doctor warned her that if you want to give birth to this child, it's not a problem. But it's 100% that is 48% to 50% that this child would not be normal as a normal child. She will be fine, everything will be okay, but her brain damaged, her brain not grow, her brain not mature. Some part of her brain not mature. Instead of Osama said to remove that belly, Osama said Bona. Because do you know why? Because of the tablet she was taking. While she was washing away the condom where boss for Toto and trying to treat the infection she got from prostitution. While she was trying to get rid of the infection where she gets. That they wash her belly, she they chop different medicine. That was the cause of this child problems. That's still the cause today. Because of all those things where she they do, where she they take. Now I make Nora brain. Doctor tell her when she gets more belly for Nora, 5 months, say Nora, some part of her brain they damaged. That is why you see Nora. You know they look Nora, oh. They know they show am, oh. And Nora they bring up no also Noah because of one brain way not good for this thing. The brain not mature. The brain not mature. The brain was totally dead. Doctor sat her down. Doctor told her, if you want to remove the pregnancy, it's not a problem. But if you still want to leave it, it's not a problem. But see as the child go be, see as it go be. They told her to go home and think about it. Osama say, you know, remove this belly. No be said doctor say, may she remove the belly. Doctor say, he can wash the child away. Make she wait for a period of time because of all those tablets, all those medicine where she take, where you take they cure that infection. That infection, all those infection and that infection and the medicine where she they take, cause damages to this pikin. Where be say some part of her brain not grow for inside belly. Doctor come say make she put time before she will get belly, before she go take in. But they can wash the pregnancy away and give her some, as in treat her, so that me a belly for relax, nekwe make enough for it. Me a belly for calm down before she will get belly. Pupu yake not here. Pupu yake. She used strong head. She leave the pikin. That is why you see Nora today. You see if Pupu yake come out and be telling you guys, say, Nora is going to a normal school. Now lie. She is lying. Nora is not going to a normal school. Nora is going to a behindered kindergarten. The class when Nora they live, when Nora they, for that class, they don't even reach about 7 or 10 for that class, which I know. Someone say, you know, say, I never talk this thing since. Now let me leak your secret. Now make it now. When you yak boy, yak boy, or Hana no fear who you are over Nora. Ni time when you yak boy. Ni time agmo. As we speak, do you know that Nora has what's it called? Nora gets special you get time where they send. Apart from the you get time where they look them as send a single mother. Nora has a special somebody where you get time send for Nora alone. That woman always go there, take Nora out, because they send down to the see Nora to the as in correct time the woman all this psychologist. Now the woman be all these psychologists for children, psychology for children, all these therapists, this thing. Now the woman be, she was sent from the you get time to Nora. Nora has a special care, a special you get time worker that is working for her. Itoria. Someone say, am I lying? You will come out there and be lying. My pekin they go, my people that knows people where you know them. Do you know why Osama say will come out and be lying? Come they lie those lies and say picking they go normal kindergarten. Do you know why? Because all of the way there for that city where they did, none of their children they go that kindergarten. That's why they don't really know about it. That kindergarten is a very big kindergarten, but the group where not a day now for sure behindete kinder. Sure behindete kinder. Now be the group when Nora do. You know say kindergarten and group. Just watch out. When Nora go enter primary school, Nora no go. They no put her for normal primary school when normal children they go, because our cells, some part of our part of brain cells don't bata is not working. That is why you see Nora behaving the way she's behaving. I saw Lovely talking about it. Lovely was explaining it. She explained her in the right way. Yes. But I was just laughing, say, oh, Lovely no know so now what she they talk. Now Nora they go through. Say Pikin, he just pay me say, many of you come they insult German government. Germany, they know say this Pikin, they special. Of course they know. They know if you take care of this Pikin, they know. That is why they give Nora special care. You get terms. Nora gets betrayal. Personal betrayal where they come. Una see sometimes when they do live video, it get one woman where they come. Now two. One are for just family as a single mother. The other one are for Nora, personal. For Nora. Nora is not a kid. As in, Nora, enough, even though he reached 30 years. Well, on my fiance workers at 30 years, Nora will still be like this. She will never be a normal child. She would never behave like a normal child. Do you know that Nora is like 2 or 3 years behind her age? That is why you see Nora talking like Idu Popidu. Nora talking like cartoon. And I know it to be cartoon. If you see Nora, she behaves like cartoon. Do you know why? Go and ask this thing that I'm talking about. Nora is 2 years behind her age. You see that Etiosa no fear who ye are. That Etiosa where she newborn so. That's more Etiosa. She gets sense past Nora. That's more Etiosa matured past Nora, because Nora, part of her brain don't die. Part of her brain is not working. That is why Nona Zobunua 24 hours. Even the same infection makes the same infection belle. Doctor advise her to give time before she will use that belle to pregnant. Did you know even that the same infection womb where she take born Nora, when Nora come turn to vegetable so, when Nora turn to pikin, when the belly can Nora the chop shit now. Someone say, come and tell the world, if you were not crying to me, even as Nora at Nora's age, at last year, before me on a quarrel. Whether you know they cry, say, Mama, someone say, Abawa, okay. Mama, if your mom baby son, I say, well, mom baby son, eh, oh yeah, you're 20 years, I'm a so okay, but all your boy, I thought no, you know. He say, Mama, this Nora will get a CB. As Nora CB, so Nora baby son. As your boy is son, all that as your boy is son, I Nora got son. As at last year, Nora ye son. Bueno, Saúl say, Elsa Nora agarro, he by pampasi. Ni anavio ene ma make na, I say he by pampas. He by pampas. That is why you always see the twins oppressing Nora, because Nora is a less privileged child. Nora is a special child. That is why you see the twins oppressing her all the time, because her brain is not matured. Even their last child when they're born, get sense past Nora at her age. And Nora why you think some ye? And no iba ye zio boy is some say do ve boy yo de Nora every son. Some say share this video, my people. Do ve boy yo if Nora not the chop shit. Una say the same belle where doctor tell him, doctor, see me if doctor advise you. I'm not lying. She told me, I said, doctor, tell him, say, when the pikin dey 5 months for belle, say, the pikin not the function well. Like one of my co-worker, when I listen, he girlfriend, or you both girlfriend, he get belle. As he get belle, the belle don't dey 4 months, I be 5 months. Doctor find out something. That's why you Ostra health system and Gemnio Organo is the best healthcare. Please, nobody should insult German healthcare again because of these idiots and stupid children. Ashawo, if you ashawo no biele, here's what your boy Nora Eba. Here way. Yeah, way. Not I say 10 years here work my corner. Yeah, walk here what your money over fian. Oh, what Sharon Biene na wu. E Sharon Bia sotone na wu Nora. Oh, what 10 years here work way what my corner here what my corner or what really borrow what fian what doyo. O zive ke work ba. O what bozi beke. I mean Nora am your mo. E yo ya jene. And I borrow for. So, this my co-worker, doctor, tell her where she go. He get one control where she go. With so she go the control as in with Frauen Art, with gynecologist. They tell her say this pikin no be say you know feel born you feel born, but this pikin for your belly no they grow normal as a normal child. The weight where the pikin supposed to the way as your belly dey 5 months, not being the pikin the way. The pikin, a lot of things not they grow for our body, for the pikin body. Many things they will not dey okay for the pikin body because doctor saw everything. What it gonna happen? Now doctor carry accident and say, you feel give birth to the pikin, it's not the problem, but it's your choice. You have to go home, talk with your boyfriend or your husband, make una gather see him, Ivie, whether he go feel una will leave him or whether una want just take the responsibility of where they say they born the pikin come down, the pikin will they be hindered. Do you know what happened? After 1 week, they went to the hospital. The woman was so sick. The sickness was like seriously. They went to the hospital, and doctor already write something. So immediately as they carry as the girl reach hospital, they don't check, they don't contact the woman gynecologist immediately. Not say they call her for phone. You know, say if you get doctor, you ask doctor all your information, your health information, is there for every cranky house, every hospital where there for your city. So they don't see the woman this thing, and doctor don't already write her. Say see. Doctor don't already sign up. Now only their signature. Now doctor they wait. If they like, they born the pikin. Do you know that doctor tell them say for hospital say, I wanna see this thing. See what you doctor write. See what your report be. They have to flush that pregnancy, and they want this girl never to get pregnant for some time, and that gets stick to it. After 1 year. She took him again. She went to her doctor as a gynecologist. Tell her, say, she don't get belly again. How far? Now doctor tell her, say, the time when you put so is a very nice time. Say, at least 1 year. At least everything don't relax. She go born next month. The story where they say the belly where she first get, where the condition where doctor see for that pikin where she did belly, where they belly, the doctor not see him again. Now be Osama say, if you not see all those twins, the same sickness, because say she used belly of infection born, the same thing that they worry those twins. Now I make you see the children, they don't be like normal children. You see those children that you are looking at, my children, now fit out. Or someone said they use filter for our children. Now so should they bleach our children too. You they bleach Pekin skin, but you can never bleach her brain because her brain cell is dead. Part of Nora's brain cell is kaput. Nora, even though Nora dead 50 years, Nora cannot act like a normal human being. A normal human being because a part of her brain cell, it don't die, you know they walk. That was what they told her. But because you want to bring this idiot child, this stupid cursed child, Nora, to the world, she paid deaf ears to doctor's advice. She gave birth to this idiot. That is why this child is suffering all these things she's suffering now. That is why you see, even that small one with the newborn, so that one they beat Nora. Because she's helpless. Because do you know why? It's not that she just calm or maybe because she be behindered. Nora is not just a behindered king. Nora is not just a special child. Her brain cell, part of her brain cell is dead, is not working. Right from birth, the brain cell, part of the brain cell, is not mature. It not even grow. That is why Nora is suffering from whatever she's suffering from today. Which Osama said no. But she's just there deceiving you people and telling you guys lies. That our children, Nora is going to a normal school. It's a lie. Nora is not going to a normal kindergarten. The kindergarten, the group, when Nora there for a kindergarten, children where they. They're not many because of her condition. And are the children where get not a condition, now there for the group when not a day from the kindergarten. When I not say for kindergarten, different group the day. Different group. Some group go there this room. Some group they're normal. Some group they're not there normal. The group where not a day is where we get the hinder kinder. Now there for that group. Nora is even worse than the other ones. That is why you see twins, they don't grow. They will never grow because do you know why? Now infection. Even the infection, she try to make she kill and reach. The boss you give her but everything when they give her for one belly, it can't make the belly even worse. When the belly scatter. Now still the same belly. Now she take born twins. Now make you see those twins, they are not growing. Someone said, can't you see your children that they are not growing? You can only fool those idiots that are clapping hands for you. But you cannot fool people that really knows what's going on with your children. Me, I didn't just look at them on the camera. Me, I thought say something is wrong with these children. You told me yourself that Nora is a chop shit. You told me yourself that doctor advised you to remove the pregnancy. But you never did. Una attack where you should have thought say nothing where God not fit do. See, and nothing where God not fit do. See, Pekin. Nora is going to 5 or 6 years. She's not talking. Always Obunwa. Nora go just stand my people. I bet Mona try Mona call her. Mona try say me put on a video call Mona greet Nora. This is a child I was always talking to on the phone. You they talk to Nora, you they greet her. You know say children when you they greet them for video call, they want to interrupt with you. They won't get your attention. They are just talking. But Nora, when you are saying, hello Nora, what did you eat today? Nora will just be making she will not, Nora cannot give you an eye contact. That's to tell you that this child is a special child. Not just a special child. She's surely behindered. Do you know what is behindered? And Nora is not just a special child. Oh, someone say, no, O sound say, iyo meme no, Nora, to ye fwa. Would they now because Nora they abroad, if to say na Nigeria, they all have be making o your honey. If you say na lie, they talk. If you are close to them, try and call sound and say on a video call and talk to Nora. Nora, your eye can never jam Nora on. You know they give you eye contact. Nora does not give eye contact to anybody. If you are talking to her, she'll they look another place. She'll know that I know this is a child I was always talking to on a video call. But I could not tell this idiot that if to say you know that time, you for your take advice where doctor give you. If I talk and go come say, this is a bad person, so I just kept quiet. But I knew what was wrong with the child. Even she knew. Then another way you know ya in Neyowa. Enora ye Neyowa. Oga Neyowa. Ige manare of his son. Oga's your boy, papa saw his son. Some say, come swear. If you know they cry to me, say, Nora the chop shit. Even at her age, oh, your son. Oh, me. Oh, me, Bielenia. Mostly no John Rona. Oh, me, na, he only back big here. He can't have what you are. He for some say keep life for summer. As they give you a lot of I'll see a never an akpolo. Equally polo, Ruda, Nora anything no be able to talk about you know that mama. Nora is 2 years behind her age. She is not talking, not just that she's not talking. Nora can never give you an eye contact. Have you ever seen children like that? You know, children, when you are talking to them, they will be looking at you. Smart children. Children that are okay, that are 100% okay. When you are talking to them, they will have an eye contact with you. Nora can never give you, you can never see her boss. Every eye contact is normal. If you tell Nora hello, you will agree, you will atali kweme. Owa atali kweme, owa agbeli kye, we no ta. Owa atali kweme, owa talo mo mene. Evani menae, I say, owa kana me ngo me ye when the pikin there for your belly, they tell you say a brain cell, he die. Part of her brain cell not the work. You still want born the pikin. Imagine person where part of her brain cell not the work. Not be bad person be that. Only no nya. Also you can you una go see when ya have your video so la dia ya gbo gbe ya imana film ogun mana gbe nora ju a o ye gbe ya mu ogun asan gbe ya mu ogun afan gbe iba bo la gbe una wey dey talk say if you abeg leave the children. When I did my last video, did I insult her children? But for her to throw mouth to even make my pikin, my children, when they okay, when be big boys. Any nani about Bielena, very quimina. Ari quemona. Ari mono yet one money, my neck be money or one hour you call me no Biele ye Jenny now. Eh, some said about Biele, when not Biele ye Jenny. No, Baragno. A single mother see ya biele mo magno ye jenny or some say na where ya waki tali be go me e ya do biele ye jenny ya go enia. That is why the house where they give us some say let me tell you a story. If you see I'm not doing this for saga. I'm telling you guys nothing but the truth. Do you know the reason why they come off that first house when they fed it? It was not because the house was too small for them or whatever. Osame said told me herself. Osame said, "Don't you want where I've been do matter man?" Because of Nora's behavior, because the thing was too much, because the house now house where say many people they stay, so they were always reporting them and calling police on them. You get them try to explain to neighbors say she gets special child. You understand? As in the Peking, the rattering. Tell them say, but they not agree. At the end of the day, they have to move them out of that house and get them this house. That is why you see where they are fighting. No neighbors will come out and call police. No neighbor they call police because that house, the people where they are not also normal. So they have to go and put her there so that the neighbors will not be disturbing because of her mad child. That is why they gave them this house that they are living now. She told me. Or someone say, what I don't know about you, but don't tell me, man. Dirty thing like you, when you hear his son, when you hear his son, Emono love your talk. Emono real magba. Children when they born for abroad. If you see Peking, yage mono webie. Omo awa mudia o wa lavi o wa lavi yake. O wa lavi yake. Uhun ye lelele. Ibie kani iya ye na asaka no gbogui. Asaka no gbogio imi. E ibie kani hin. Uga mi asaka gbogui o kwa yu rara. O ye tun yin megbe. Abi we me asaku gbogu there. Una never see that hands, that giant hands where be say they get big head, the body all tiny. Now so Osama say children be. Their head go your big, the rest of their body go tiny. But shoko, malnutrition, they worry children. The first child is mad. The twins, they are not even growing. If at the age where twins they say they still there for that height where they're there so and they still get that kind of kilo, or someone say go and take care of your useless children because they are sick. They are sick. Go and take care of those children. Imagine a child at Orogan's age, she go dey waka dey fall for road. Even a grown-up woman, no matter what, before you see a grown-up woman where you go dey waka, you go just fall. You go just dey waka, you go just faint. You go just dey waka, you go just faint. You go not say she has a problem. Malnutrition, but worry those children. That's why they waka dey fall. No say oh get am. Emiarenia na de, emiarenia na waka bunu. El sabe say, el boka huomi. E dedegbo sabe say as ekun ye yo nu. Well sabe say come down na say, na so their papa beat waka confident na. He touch am because of that sickness with the woman as he beat am small. Not be say you beat am, he just hit am for nyash, na the pikin fall. The seizure start again. The pikin get epilepsy. Sabe say, do ve boy your dog have epilepsy. You na see that so we cut na so he beat my people. Before person, just imagine. Before a grown-up man go just beat small pikin, beat time, you go faint. My people. Even though say the person don't even get sense, the grown-up person don't get sense. Before you come beat pikin, come faint. Make una reason now. Not be so it happen. The papa hit her for Nash. The papa slap her for Nash. Now the seizure come. The sickness come again. She has an epilepsy. That is why all some say children are under medication. Now only the small one, the newborn, so now I don't know about. All of them are under medication. Do you know? So some say this one down. Never born like work, but if you are not better. Do you know that Osama say when they talk so? When she born the Etiosa where they talk so, she called me. They called me. Yeah, did you know that Osama say cried for 1 month because she gave birth to a female child? So it got to a time I was like, I bet they lie to me. They don't want to tell me they're born boy. They don't want to tell me because when I call a year and they say a boy, they're born. I say, but they use their mouth to tell me say I get the born. Osama say was even crying. You see, Osama say will just come out and be deceiving herself and be deceiving some of you that are fools that are following her, that are clapping for her shit. She will be deceiving you guys. Osama say will come out there and be telling you, Pikin na Pikin. Even though I dey born girl and lie, she cried for more than 1 month. In fact, that house was a war front because she gave birth to a female child the 3rd time. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. She cried for more than 1 month. I was even the one where they come out that would that here, you newborn. Stop. Oh more picking up, picking, don't worry, God will give you boy. That was why when I see the time when I can't take congratulate her when she born a Tiosa. When I go rewatch that video again, I said it. I say, Omo, I don't omo, all of them are children. I used that part when I talked for that video to console her because she was always crying. I'm going when no nevek be ragmo nevi anagbe le monjua o ne dora ana fianwu nu hudo no gbe kandija anagbe nora asone ni agbe le kan ho yo hun no make na fianwu no make na le imi gbe wa nu hudo no gbe kandija anagbe nora ami na tade isim ye do me no zo. She coming out there. Come they talk say, now so their papa your bit of work conference. My brothers and sisters, you people, we are adults. Not just that we are adults. We are in Europe, we are in Western world. Mona sit down, reasoner. Which papa go your beat a 3 years old child? Beat am, so he go faint. It wasn't like that. Because even the man could not come out to say, now this one happened. On a yard with me. Ubi na slap na give pikin for nyash na the season what happen na slap even the what you call target muta where they go this target muta this garbage where they go so they know about it that all can see that is why she dey fall that small child as little as she is she's on medication because do you know why because the belly when she take born those children was very hot was damaged because of infection, different prick, and because of different medicine when she can't eat just to cure infection, just to get belly. She left Nora as though to advance her wish. Why she leave Nora belly? She want born by all means because then as she just come from Italy, she believes that Peking should stay safe for Europe, for Deutschland. Now make she leave the Peking. Imagine now you are taking care of a man child, a Peking, a child where they say. One of a part of our brain cell is totally dead. Is totally dead. We no gbogbo yake. Iye wo la scream mo don ni nu fi ahu. Na regbe le mo jua o. Ne na na sun hu no na gbe o. Ne na fi ahu ju a o go he dora. Wa e mu nya ya da. Iye ze hu obi okana. Ave bosh no wa viola wani e da iya ka oni die ezi oboyo okana hene. We na mu pa mu gorege. U hobi okana ni onya yo tone. E o he no nya Nora nya yo tona. Uhobi okana ma hu uwo momo ne no momo mu ohu na fi oboyi ne we are we Nora na se na ze kiayi ne here we ne here ze kiayi Nora he ne I can't greet you now. I can't greet you now. I want to do better. My pikin they do better. I can't greet you now. Ni akezi your boy Nora he. Me sure what that be ni akezi your boy we. We are una mu pa mu were. If you look Nora Kpekus where you go see they do the chuka for the Kpekus. Here's your boy head. Ni akemwe kia papu ha wokana uwa wokana wege se bugwe nene e party dross nojo wege to eye gbona ha wo bokwa avion bokwa wanya yotona avion bokwa omo na da bie normally small pikin with the newborn the Kpekus they cover we Nora anya yotoe uhe na huwe na ma ezekiaye eti ya wo bokwa na coded men e wo bokwa na ya zo boyo we ne coded men. In a coded way. Oh, other picture that we can say this one a picture where be say me I dey see from here, you dey see. I bet mona look this pikin Kpekus where. This one not resemble Kpekus where they don't dey chook am. Here's your boy we now in there. Because this pikin now, I believe as this Nora to your beer, she go open for ground. If you put egg, you go swallow egg. I don't have a set of boy na leave your head. Because here where here na ni lalo he ami o ne gi lalo ya si wo mo na da bia wetin lalo ai e do sa we se ya kon si lo ye Nora pe kone afoyin agaro wa yo ya kon si la pe ko la lo he ya ave yo ga do no do atu ya ni eni zi oboyo o he o sa lo bu wo ho na fo e na anya yo to ma o ho na ma edegwe ama o ma edegwe kaka o da wo mo o wo ha obo kan o 5 to 6 years o ma ke nu we nya yo to we nya gbe ope ni akewazi oboyo ho na he ya zi en ki ayo he ni Obi okana na atie boy ye bi ka ni ma so aweki awa yen na wa bi ona ladia we na do tie boy yo we Nora na wa ladia we ye ije na do ya we obi ye ma so aweki America zi boy yo we e bo wa gbo kana fwa uda ho enya yo to gbe we hu enia e o sa lo ba me no ho ba no bi oni no wa di gbe bi o me ha uhu me ma nya yo to we na bi nu wo kana nya yo to o kana nya onya yo to gbe ni o ho wa ye po na uwe no na wa ye po yo to na iyo sa lo bwa pupu ya ka okwo kokomo hu owe owo omo nu koko mo ko nu koko hu e nya yo to ewe no ra wa nya poto yo to na ga pike no ra wa ye gbagbagba ope ni akeye ki aso wa piko na ope ni akeye ki aso bo kana piko unda piko bo kana o ma ka piko bo mo e piko go o ye gbum laja uwe dross no yo na because kana me beg na no ye gume ya we gbe zoom e ba ni we gbe do post any zoom e kakabo nu wa be akpiko mo o sa we se awaye akonsile avant I aba duro no wa la ye agba no se di akula ye wa ya ye ke ya shift akpiko mo kana ne unda akpiko mo no da bi ore it's supposed to dey middle if you see small pikin akpiko the akpiko go dey middle ye fien the pekus go cover. But Mona see Nora toto. Mona see Nora akpiko. The akpiko, it don't go up where. Opena ke ye kias wa akpiko na. Akpiko na, iyo salobwa. Me no wa digwe bio me akpiki me ma o ma ye gbang sebe na. Ona akpiko na ye kias wa. Ona we na kuloboyi. We awa hu o kana ni o salobo gbe so we ribe to e. Who ribe to odon. We no we boni to odon. Yo salobo savese o ya je ki agbo yo savese wa be ge video e bo gbaga de go do twe o yes wa we Nora ne o da do de dudu vaga dora o wa do ge ya je ki abon yo kan piko wa o bi o kan na ni e to mi nu ya gun egun o be me o bi o kan no me bo ya gun e bo ya e ga je ki shift ya piko e Adeni awe bede ni ana ashati yana tie ni awe ba tie nene ni awu keke wo gun ya bede won be obo kun piapa na mo e Nora yo ona mo Nora yo kepe o wa bia party go won wa zi ki ayo ona e ko aye ki atonton ona aye ki aton to salo bo wa mi o bo bi o wa aye ki avalo he na o wa mi o bo mi o wa aye ki avalo we wa o my people. See, man, you be boy. Your woman, your wife, your girlfriend, you don't give you pekus do. My brother, oh yeah, you see this pikin where you open to dance. Oh yeah, Mona they use this small pikin pekus. Oh, some say pikin Nora Mona they use it pekus to the jack. Why jack kiani? Don't enter bedroom. Rub shampoo put for your bola. Carry this pikin picture. They look the avava. They look the center. You go they see the horse you open for grass. So they use after they jet my brother. So P. Why do you Nora way so P here? They don't mean so P. So P. They don't mean so P. Why you always so P go Wakana? Why you Nora way so P? Why you to spam me qua? Come on, throw away your spam here. Throw away your spam here. Use Nora pekus to jack here and throw away your spam. Throw away your spam here. All the aduros in Germany. Come and use this pikin pekus to take jack here and throw away your spam. Throw away your spam here. Throw away your spam here. Ogbele wa to spam wakwa. Wa do atu e kwanu wa do afie. Nu wa do ayu e Nora afie rekia. You hear no ma wa gbon gboko yan ara we so ara we ne se wa bi o e wa bi picture na wa de phone yo wa bi la betun o wa afie ye ki anya o hin ato enya ni picture ale mi wi wa ho agbihun agbihun yin. Some may say come and tell the word if your husband no una no dey quarrel because say you know the bath. They no mo bo asiezo ukwe you know the bath you are dirty. Or some may say go dey house 1 week, 2 weeks, she not bath. If I lie, she not go bath. She not go even get off where she did. Oh, you see, I said the one I tell live video. Now only the part where they want for do live video or the logic. Only the part where they want for do live video. So you just arrange this thing. Put the cloth where. Now they did sit down for them. Now he tell they do live video for them. Very dirty thing. Oh, someone say, see her now. What I call her? This girl, Cynthia. You know, concern Cynthia. He hold Cynthia for her, make Cynthia tell the insult mama. He hold Cynthia for her, make Cynthia tell the insult. Oh, your mama no better. You sound say no who are. He hold Cynthia for her, make Cynthia the insult. I use less mother, I better mother. I better mother. Or someone say mama will be side chick. I don't do Cynthia anything, I just look them. Do you know that a Cynthia don't run pen of your return? Cynthia went to their house. Cynthia, if I lied against you, I don't record people. I don't have recording on my phone. If to send another presenter, now you settle down, talk to. I believe say that if you don't play your voice for me, I don't believe. Most especially that way they insult me, will not concern you. But I didn't record you. Cynthia went to their house. Cynthia went, mama. Mama. Again, he said, mama, did you know, say, before I drink water, they had me for a few days where I spent for that house. Cynthia, if I lie, you have a bebo gume. Do not tell na yamame. Cynthia, I don't know. You they tell us, now, sir, they do this one. Before you know the husband, when you they call husband today, before you know, Omaka even look boy. Where is you? Yeah, Okpabo. Nah, what man even look boy? Where is you? Where is you? Oh, who are go? If you are not fear who are going, you are no more who know you are. Yagi, you are here, not fair, second year, Yahoo. No go on be Nora you are. Eh, Nora, you go anything we went to our home, you won't go boy. Oh, go back boys, I say, oh. Nora, you won't go back boys, I say, I already tell you, young guy. Eh, Nora, na hone. I don't record people. But if to send another presenter, therefore record that girl, we spend more than, nothing less than, let me say, 10 minutes on phone. She explained to me the experience when she gets when she go to their house. She explained to me. Yes. But if to say maybe I be person where they record person, maybe the time when she called they insult me, I for just call the play and say, Cynthia, now you they insult me. See everything what you tell me. But I didn't record that. I don't even have it on my phone. I don't need that shit on my phone. You say, now so. He to say now some people, me not they shame, now so I not go. I know still come out. At least me I go enjoy myself. Wow. 1 month holiday. Now I get. If let's say the money where I take go ula for Croatia. Also yak ba o you not better also yak better we. Abi you not see the Croatia where I go relax myself. You not fear. You carry my boyfriend picture come out. You see that way happen. Nothing big did not date. It go happen again. I told na see now. Even you also there. Now you share the video. Now you talk someone they go wash your wife. You later now you come talk. Oh, you don't post you and your military. Una don't post my mouth picture now. No problem. Oh, one. You what they know. Me what they know was there. Babe ezona go along. Yeah. Posting my mouth, you told your stinking thing. Sajaye, that toto way they smell. When you they complain, put it where? How can a woman be at home? A woman that cannot bath herself. How she want to bath her children? A woman will not feel bath herself. Look at children. Look at children. Fear to now, Nora, you want to come at me, you say, oh, Gamo. And Nora, no, so that eye, where behind them they get, because she get one, if you look Nora, where one of her eye is totally bad. You go they look on you like not be saying maybe that eye the pain. Now the brain, now the side where the brain damage day. The side of the brain where not the function. I make an eye be like that when they do eye like this. Imagine a 5-year-old child. Oh, you don't. Oh, we better 1 year one or to papa. Or to 9. Wow, wow. Ou bien les money go, ou bien les cuero. The height and the kilo where those twins they weigh, even the Nora, the height and the kilo where they weigh. Now 2-year-old child, now they be like that. The way they look. A mama austerity agbe le mo wabo ewebo. Austerity agbe le mo wabo ewebo. E money kwa you hu ogenita. Iya wa kun rege iya wo ogwa rege de me du popo ni dele are lubo. Awa koko nu bie. Akoko awu gbo ko mo nu gbo ko popo. If na maybe you say no, let me come out again come talk. When no be omo nu gbo ko gbe. Omo no te omo me no me pilesi. If you go here, they no matter. Hey, Nora no meme. Omo kan no o me pilesi. Dem me no ojo me ko mi onyo pa me be wo. U da ojo ni o be ko mo no ko mi. If you not take a close look at what you call her Nora. One of her eye, it be like Ishawuru. My people, now that side, now that part of the eye, now the brain for not the walk. Now make the eye be like that. No, now what already on it. Una don't see her say, she take the video, all those lizard, the twins may be lizard for us. I have any no making your money, any making your money, any making your money, yeah, infection belay up here. Won't be infection gaye. Won't be infection take boy. Any making your money. Mona look at now the way she take the video, all those two lizard twins. Now so she take the video Nora. I'm a video that Nora I'm way. Unda a video that Nora. Oh go how why go papa. On your no boy baby na win. Body no now I na ni wa mi o you know wa suku o you know go work o you know go na on your side there we na win na e side ni o se no mo na mara hin o mo maybe you come dey tell na speech delay na lie. Nora not get any speech delay. Nora not get any speech delay. The problem of Nora is that part of her brain is not functioning, it's not working. One part of her brain is totally dead. One part of her brain is not grow for one. Even right from inside belly, not grow well. That is why Nora is 2 years behind her age. You see the way Nora they behave. Now picking where they 2 years, now they behave the way Nora they behave. Nora know they behave to her age. Una way don't born, una talk true now. Una way get children. I beg, one una get una female child there for 6 years. Una don't know the level where she did. Una don't know the way they tell they do. Also, on your moko. Mona see Nora. Nora is like a 2 years old or a 1 year a year old baby. The way she behaves because of her brain cell, because of her brain weight, her brain will not work. That brain not even grow right from belly. That is why Nora is behaving like that. You people should not allow her to deceive you that Nora has a delay, a speech delay. Is a lie, a total lie. She told me that the doctor asked her to do something with the pregnancy. Because the child is going to suffer it because one of her brain part, one part of her brain is damaged. But you know here because she won't get paper. At the end of the day now you don't born Chris speaking put for Deutschland. The paper what they give you na Z. Paper what they give you since they give you the document. You never cross. Say okay, at least may you still cross border. You see that you cross her. Say okay, maybe na Italy close to una pass or for the part one day for Germany. Or na Austria close to una pass. Or na Greece close to una pass. Or na Holland they close to una pass. You never enter bus one day. People where they down the area, they go Holland where now. Because Holland is very close to that place. You they come and say now because my children never grow. People where they down outside now whole land they forgot the shop. You never enter bus one day, may you go inside whole land, may you still go shop. You carry the children now, enter bus now, go shop. No, why go across the border? Why? Paragraph Z, why across the border? Because of document where you be say you not come up picking when you can't make this picking now they suffer for life. Or more igbelikin or monoma say 10 years you igbelikin every work belikin it was a 40 every igbelikin I say 10 years 40 years. Now not near the pass. Now the single mothers they you enter they you carry their children they you carry to that van they enter bus. Now even bus are be train. It's very close to them there. They'll just go Holland, even though they not go inside Holland, they'll just go for border there. Inside Holland, they'll see go shop. Where you are there, or sound and say, Pupu, you can view more, or you cross the border. The document what you say they look for now, where you be say, you know, Umagio, Hana, Nora, Lesa, Gariwa. Oh, Monoa, Pekwa, no when they don't talk about Yakwa, Rekowe. Una do be or Yaru Debe, at the end of the day, a Benia, Amavioga, Mono, a Zed, Amuyobo. Oh, monia, no akpe kwa we regbe sage no gele sage arewa. Okay, liability ne. Or more than 10 years, or more than 5 years of belikin. O Sunday bright yobo. You not see and where that girl. E pupu yeke infection pekusi no infection no you infection ya biele mo ofin tore abo back no biele ra si palo no biele no you infection ya biele meme with Deutschland boy jama law jama authority jama government won hin talk bo sa say when you ya do bi o meme yin ebo iba bo ga la we gbe the only person for a dosaba space where get mad picking. Uma beg of you, beg you here, see. Eh, my brother Brighty, Uma beg. Well, when you may where it's okay, it's enough. Me not go with video now, I say, oh, Saloboa, and one of me here, what do I want about Boho? Only I've been when you may have a little talent. I've been when it way. Dirty pig went on the bath. A girl went off you wash plate where they eat for us. A girl where pikin go shit for pampas, you go spend 5 days for parlor, for under chair. She could not even learn from Mama Ivie. From Mama Ivie. She could not learn from her. That one they neat. Food, she not sabi cook. She know they neat. Obielo meme obiele ko jemi nu gbe o bagbon. Even though say Agenda make say, I beg go, we need picking for Deutschland though. I beg go, make una come the born for Deutschland. He get the time where Agenda make tell say, I beg go, mona come the born create children for our country. And I'm not be on here, no bell, I'm going to want Agenda make talk boy. Una be on no belikia, we no na make pan for rock belikia. On a one level. On a one level, I can hear I can have. I want to talk every done. Oh, I go Nora, go where you are. Who will not be Sharon OKPAMEN. Who will not be Sharon OKPAMEN. If Sharon in my Vienna, I'll go Nora and Ivie. Second time. I'll go make him do via wow. Wow, so wow, too. Done. You now, you want a wabia, wabia money, epilepsy worry. I'm on a sijo, women not a sijo, on your, I call your honey cake on a sijo, that econama bio, a common bio of your view, new fashion bearer, on my fure. I don't say I be a lemon he had day. Ya said, but your son, no, me have a mukiana, no dabiana. At them, what I bear them, or honey, or honey. We are beggar, honey, but my beg, where beggar side, where bear them, we are living. And why not be a doya be a layer? Why, ho, no, ya debiele. Women, ya ne you know who are, that is woman who are. If you ever say, yeah, that's where we may. Now go warrior, yo. And man of why ya dem beer. Oh, so say, I want beer. A sage to a forward, all the bay ya de hammer. And mona ya de hammer, ya get here. Where give you when you are here. No, I get there more age. No, I get there more age. When I got what you say, why beg a second or wow, who da at there ya and be. I'll say a second hour of honey. We are going, we are going, Salobo, walking up bonny kiki. Who da a second, me beggar or honey. At the way who go honey. At the way, or some Rati or Rachel who are say a second, or I beg you at the over your day, I be a lemon, mammy, me a bone, and I don't know who are. No, why ya dem bien. Yage mo here, yage wo ya ni ya de bien, yage rien. Wele mi okwo no gele enegbe. If you my tia verse we that you are you are we kia here. Where at my age I still the get boyfriend. If he's 70 something years. If was a side chick to mother, he's still a side chick. Aye who you working on war no war ya ragmo. Aye bi you ye gbego crack ya yo he. Aye bi you ye gbego. You are young, Salo talk back your way. No, what happened? Here you are yet to here. Baby or yak back, go by your Salo talk. Let's yet. Oh, yet way. Wow. I can you want to here. Men know your husband when yet to here, who bear back more. Wow. Every other women of your hurry. Why bear more bear going to bear more? Not be a Mac Bear. Menu be je na ne obi o me obi no ko me si jo ne pilesi worry obi e oga den oro e moro pa ma e o sa lo ba no e tu gbe wo mo ni gbe me tu gbe wo mo sa me se o gbe to wa agbe ya no ma bi ata we yi o ko na wa gbe wo mo do ma bi e je me are mi ora no bi no gbe wo mo if your children don't deal with you, your children don't deal with you. O sa lo ba me e o sa lo ba. Okawe ma okawe me ogbilike ukpo give out day emi ugbo ohun oke wa ki akere wa deku oke ki akere wa deku ekuye gi fo won tebu wa iri ekuye lo bi ekegberu wa ya zi ekuye yo onu ndugba teku ekuye gi gan we sitting wa yeba iri ebe yi afefefe ni me restaurant ye na we fish bar ni ame be ya mani e arrive ekuye le e arrive dibi ekuye ni ari ekuye ni customer no ya won fish pepper soup. He agi dibi yobuda ekuya gan gbe nu ya dele ekuye ya no re ekuye ya no re sutu kwafo nu ya zie yo mo nu ya kwakwa yo mo nu benene mi ame awa be mu e o wa be si akongba bi o wa si akongba do pa o wa le ba ni pa edegbe yore edegbe ran kan ni omo na pobo ne edegbe ran kan ni o ga pobo ni akedo bozo akon ni wa ho wa. Alright, what I mean, I got a doctor where there's nothing we can do, she's gone. A doctor okay, well, okay, I can okay, those are con you, but a doctor do run a conny. A kuya we sitting by your demi, who there, who get to be and who have no. Well, there will be. Who were tell that then the genu wait, who were tell say genu ke Italia de muwe, who he no we are we fashion okay mo adie a Deutschland. A single mother si maka kpo a Deutschland. We me no be on a Deutschland ba. When you that was single mother si o for Germany o, here be alone me. Eh o, wo pa bi o me. U bi ne sagin ro awa o. O salobo, wa ya de ya bele. Di ju we mana ohoa. Igu na gele ya gbon ma keke ni ju enwon ni wewe yi. Wa be ha e o adenahin. Adenahin esage ma kawe. Esage no wa ye laje we ya bi no ye tu we. Esage no ma ka fo are esage no